good day. I'm Levi Lopez and this is my wife.
Laurencio.
We're from Alamino City, Pangasinan. Bale, dito kami kay Autobot San Leonardo. Bale, nagpakadit ako ng Hummer automatic roller lift. Tapos nagpadagdag ng kusina.
That was my gift to him kasi mabait siya. Umalis kami ng bahay ng around 4:30 in the morning and it took us 4 hours drive to get here. Talagang medyo pagod and sa sobrang cozy at ganda ng shop is talagang nakatulog ako and I feel relaxed. And ang ganda ng shop nila, accommodating ng mga staff, especially Sister Lenny. Subukan niyo kung dumalaw dito sa shop. Highly recommended po. Mabait po sila at talagang magaganda ang mga product.
Approve naman kay Commander LC. Bali, babalik kami dito. Number 1.
Mahal ng asawa ko ever since wala pa kaming mga sasakyan. Nagbabasa na siya ng mga
nababasa ko na sa
auto
mga
magazine. Talagang Autobot na yun sinasabi ko.
Okay naman siya. Na-check naman namin kanina at satisfied naman ako sa kinalabasan ng pinakabit at trabaho ng mga taga-Autobot.
Number 1, Autobot.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. It's a sunny day here at Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija. So right now, meron tayong mga ongoing builds. Specifically, the one behind me is a Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. It's the latest model in the Mitsubishi lineup. So anyway, sila Boss Louie is from Alaminos, Pangasinan. They traveled early morning just to arrive here in our shop kaninang 9 p.m. So our schedule for today, nakakabit sila ng automatic roller lift by Hammer, meaning Thailand. This is a no-drill na mga installation, lahat nito plug and play. Tapos meron siya mga training code. And while he's here, nagpadagdag na rin si Boss ng 2 sets ng Marco Horn CM80N. And also, syempre, medyo maulan ngayon, the worst windshield cleaner. So, I would just like to thank Sir Louie and kay Madam palaging sumusuporta here at Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija. Anyway, thank you again Sir Louie and everyone. I hope you liked our video. Always remember, Autobot strong, fuel. Bye God.
Sir, thank you. Thank you po.
Isa na naman pong customer ang ating na-satisfy sa ating shop dito sa Nueva Ecija. And sana po, I'll see you here in our shop. Thank you.